friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS 4K organic EL display with auto calibration. So friend, ASUS unveiled the ProArt Display OLED PA32DC, a 32-inch 4K display with an organic EL screen. And friend, the main unit comes supplied with flip type hardware calibrator and automated calibration is available using the ProArt calibration software. And you may pick between two types of stands based on your work environment: a compact stand and a normal stand, a monitor cowl that lowers the reflection of ambient light, and metal handle that is easy to move, and a cable management that can arrange intricate codes and contains gimmicks such as clip. And peak brightness is 500 cadmium per meter square, typical brightness is 250 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio is 10 lakh Gen1, and display color is about 1073.7 million colors and 0.1 millisecond reaction time, 60 Hz frame rate, color gamut Adobe RGB, 99% DCI-P3, 178 degree horizontal or vertical viewing angle, and HDR10 for high dynamic range. And friend, the interface is DisplayPort 1.4 into 1, HDMI 2.0 into 3, USB Type-C into 1, USB 3.2, Gen2 Type-A hub into 4, headphone jack into 1, and USB Type-C port is up to 65 watt, and power delivery is supported. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.